Welcome to the Mercedes EQ revolution. With easy maintenance regiments, more time between required service, and the first 2 years of required maintenance included, ownership has never been more worry-free. Here's a few tips you can follow to help get the most out of your Mercedes EQ. Check that your Mercedes Me Connect app is paired to your EQ and Mercedes Me Charge is activated. Both help you and your car stay seamlessly connected. Your EQ's lithium-ion battery is very easy to care for and is under warranty for 10 years or 155,000 miles. To enhance the life and performance of your battery, here are a few things to consider. If your EQ is not in use for a period of time, try not to keep it overcharged or let it get to zero. Only use fast charging stations as needed. And when charging overnight, it's smart to use eco charging mode to slowly charge up to 80%. Another way is to use the pre-entry climate control feature to preheat or cool the cabin before you get in. Your EQ comes with a simplified Mercedes-Benz scheduled maintenance program called Integrated Service Package, with required maintenance only needed every 2 years or 20,000 miles. Expert-trained Mercedes-Benz technicians will replace the cabin dust filters, check brake fluid, perform a battery health check, and conduct a multi-point inspection. We also recommend a tire inspection and rotation every 1 year or 10,000 miles. We'll then rotate your tires, check for proper inflation, test the brake system, and ensure adequate tire tread depth. All to ensure you maximize your tire's lifespan and your EQ's range. Only an authorized Mercedes-Benz service center with certified technicians using Mercedes-Benz genuine parts are recommended. Keep your EQ operating at peak performance and get the ownership experience and peace of mind you deserve. Service by Mercedes-Benz. The new standard of electric luxury has arrived.